Hi, welcome back to Inside Home YouTube channel. Today, you'll tour a family home thoughtfully transformed to balance history and modern comfort, creating a timeless, welcoming space. Let's take a look. As you stepping inside, the home's rich history greets you with a sense of timeless elegance. The foyer sets the tone, blending the charm of the past with the vibrancy of a modern family home. The living spaces at this home are a masterclass in balance. Period pieces anchor the design, while contemporary touches keep the atmosphere fresh and approachable. This is a home where history and modernity coexist beautifully. This cozy living room blends comfort and style with teal armchairs, a tan sofa, and natural light. Dark wood accents, plants, and elegant accessories create a welcoming, functional space for relaxation and conversation. The kitchen is the heart of this home, where rustic charm meets contemporary functionality. It's a space designed for both family gatherings and culinary creativity, embodying the home's spirit of warmth and connection. Upstairs, The bedrooms and library pay homage to the home's storied past. Each room tells a story, with carefully chosen details that reflect the original character of Hickory Hill while providing comfort for its modern inhabitants. The outdoor spaces at Hickory Hill are an extension of the home itself. Enclosed garden rooms offer serenity and intimacy, blending the beauty of nature with the comforts of home. Hickory Hill is more than a house. It's a home. A place where history is celebrated, creativity thrives, and memories are made. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful design to honor the past while embracing the present.